Welcome to AI Autotech, where what if I told you that artificial intelligence is already controlling parts of your daily life without you even noticing? From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, AI is helping you think faster, work smarter, and live easier. Today's video is special. I'm going to show you 101 powerful ways AI is used in our daily life. In phones, homes, education, business, healthcare, and even entertainment. This is not the future. This is happening right now. Let's begin. AI in daily personal life. Smartphones and apps. Face ID and fingerprint unlock. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. Smart photo editing. Camera, autofocus and night mode. Spam call detection. Predictive text typing. Smart notifications. Language translation. AI emojis and stickers. App recommendations. Home and lifestyle. Smart alarms. AI weather forecasts. Smart calendars. AI reminders. Sleep tracking apps. Fitness tracking. Smart shopping lists. Recipe suggestions. Smart vacuum cleaners. Smart lights. AI makes daily life faster and more comfortable. AI in smart homes. Smart thermostats. Voice-controlled lights. Smart door locks. Security cameras with face detection. Smart doorbells. Fire and smoke detection. Energy usage optimization. Smart refrigerators. Smart washing machines. AI home assistants. Your house is no longer just a house. It's becoming intelligent. AI in education. AI tutors. Personalized learning. Homework help. Grammar checking. Essay writing assistance. Language learning apps. Smart exams. Online courses recommendations. Study planners. Virtual classrooms. AI is not replacing teachers, it's making learning smarter. AI in healthcare. Disease prediction. Medical image analysis. AI chatbots for health advice. Mental health support apps. Fitness coaching. Smart watches health alerts. Drug discovery. Virtual nursing assistants. Appointment scheduling. Remote patient monitoring. AI is literally saving lives. AI in work and business. Resume screening. Interview scheduling. Customer support chatbots. Email writing. Meeting summaries. Sales predictions. Market analysis. Fraud detection. Task automation. Virtual assistant. AI doesn't take jobs, it upgrades them. AI in content and entertainment. YouTube video ideas. Script writing. Thumbnail generation. Video editing. Music generation. Voiceovers. Movie recommendations. Game AI characters. Photo restoration. Social media captions. Creators using AI are 10 times faster. AI in transport and travel. Self-driving cars. Traffic prediction. Navigation apps. Ride-sharing apps. Flight price prediction. Smart parking. Route optimization. Vehicle safety systems. Public transport management. Travel planning apps. AI is changing how we move. AI in future and society. Smart cities. Crime prediction. Disaster alerts. Climate change analysis. Agriculture automation. Crop disease detection. Smart factories. Robotics. Space exploration. Scientific research. AI for personal growth. Goal setting. habit tracking, productivity coaching, meditation apps, time management, financial planning, stock analysis, budgeting tools, career guidance, skill learning, decision making. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace humans. It's here to help humans become better. The real question is, are you using AI or letting others move ahead of you? If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share, because the future is already here.